Today we're gonna take you underwater.
Are you guys ready for a fun morning of scuba diving?
Okay, I mean free diving, but get ready because this place rocks. Let's explore the Tabago Cays in the Grenadines. Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Good morning over there on Inieho. Are you guys ready for a fun morning of scuba diving?
Calypso, come back.
Hello! Nice to hear your voice. I was just asking if you guys are ready for a fun day of diving.
Oh yeah.
Us too! Well, when were you guys thinking about being ready to head on over there? It's only like 4 miles, so not that far.
Yeah, sure, whenever.
Alright, sounds good. We will let you know when we're about, I don't know, 20 minutes out.
Roger that.
Finish up our banana bread, eat some mangoes, weigh anchor, head on out of here. Let's do some diving, baby. You ready?
Yep.
I think I might have used up all my bananas by now. I got like a bag of 20 of them for 5 EC, which is, I don't know, $3 American.
2.
No, it's like a third.
2, that'd be 2.
2? No, it's a little bit more than half.
5 is $2 exactly.
Oh, all right. $2 American. Huge bag of bananas. I might have like 4 left in the freezer, but banana bread for days. Are you sick of it yet?
No, I love it.
It is yummy. These mangoes, I just like sucked off the last little bit because I couldn't cut it off, are the best mangoes I've had in my entire life. The Grenadines has the best mangoes. And they're falling off the trees everywhere, but I had 3 of those. Weren't that great. I'd rather just buy them from the locals and get, like, look at that slice of mango. I've never had that kind of mango in my life. It's amazing. Usually when I cut up a mango, it wouldn't be like a nice slice. It would come out like all stringy and you can't really cut it. You don't get that much off. And they're like huge mangoes, but you don't get that much off. These ones are really tiny. I should have kept one to show you. Like the size of my fist probably, maybe a little bit smaller. And I feel like you get a lot more mango on these ones than I've ever gotten buying them at the store anywhere until we've gotten here. And they're really, really juicy. And I've also noticed the color in them is like a dark, deep orange compared to like the off yellow that I've always gotten when we lived on land. This is really cool. Try some.
It was a quick 4-mile sail from our anchorage to the Tabago Cays. We had no idea what was in store for us, but had heard tons of good reports, so we were pretty excited. Anchor your boat, launch your dinghy, anchor your dinghy, and jump in. Check your anchor, of course. Then the world opens up. We were astonished how alive the Tabago Cays were. We immediately found ourselves surrounded by a whole world of marine life.
What'd you see?
We just saw a huge stingray come flying out of the water like 3 or 4 feet high and did like this whoosh.
Oh, that's cool.
It's right over here.
Did you see it, Reese? Woo! Huh?
Crabs.
Crab.
Crabs everywhere.
This is a beautiful little island, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. You want to walk with us?
Yeah.
Trying to get through these rocks over here. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. The Grenadines just kind of reminds me of the Bahamas. Kind of just island hopping around these little islands. The locals, so nice. Lots of little reefs. Trying to make a full circle around this island. Found some sea glass. What I started to do is write on each piece of sea glass where we found it. We put it in a jar so when Reese gets bigger he can put it out. It's a little salty. Yeah, do you have the sea glass? I have the sea glass.
This secluded little island was all ours for the day. We explored and played. It was truly beautiful, and full of surprises too. How cool is this? A good sign of abundant life in an area is shark activity. This place is thriving. It's been 5 years that we've been sailing the world. As we travel further, the destinations become better and better. We hope you enjoyed the Tabago Cays as much as we have.
Yeah, that's really nice. Come here, Ray.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Man, that was awesome. That was our first dive off the dinghy.
Kickham Jenny, the volcano. The exclusion zone around Kickham Jenny.
I don't want to jinx myself. Just beached the dinghy.
Are you on 4-wheel drive? Is it that rough? Okay.
Ben or George? Just had a decoration and all. And more laundry. What happened there?
And dislocated my pinky while climbing up Concord waterfall. What you want to do is you want to wrap around tightly, 8 to 12 twists per inch.
Thruster sucked it up. Sit down here. We're both sitting here,
Yes, we're both sitting right here.
obviously.
The plan is to go to St. Croix.
This is day 1 of our trip from Grenada back to the United States.
All the way down the side of the boat.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How's it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it.
We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.